Why does your scanner show the P0351 engine code? What does it mean? P0351 is a diagnostic trouble code for Ignition Coil 1 primary or secondary circuit malfunction. This engine code indicates that this code signals a problem with the circuit that provides voltage to the ignition coil responsible for creating the spark in that cylinder. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coil, wiring problems, spark plug problems, PCM issues, grounding issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mercedes, Toyota, Nissan, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.